Our topic today is paragraph group. We'll be discussing the paragraph group. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment and like. God bless you. So these are the things we will be learning on our paragraph group. We have our paragraph group here. So paragraph group, or we call it formatting of paragraph, formatting our paragraph. It is used to adjust the alignment of the text to change how it is displayed on the page. So these are some of our paragraph group function that we are going to be used. You can see we have it here. So let's jump into it. I have the text formatted here. Now we have used our font group format on this text already, whereby we have bold some text, we have italic, we have increased the font size and all of that. So we also know the font size or the font family that I use for this. I have to click on it. So all the functions that I apply on this text, it will show. You see, we have Times New Roman 20, we have bold. If I should click on this input, you see we have bold, italic and font size 14. You see, so that is how you know the font size or the font color that we use for a particular text. So today we are jumping into our paragraph, and we say a paragraph adjust is used to adjust the alignment of our text. So how do we align our text? So we are going to align this input and output to the center of our page using our center alignment. You can see when we start typing, we start from the left hand side. You can see this. That is why this alignment is highlighted. So it means all the text that we have here, they are from the left alignment. So in this case, we want to format some text to the center alignment. So what we do, by selecting the text we want to send to the center of the page, select it and click on center alignment here, or you press Ctrl E on your keyboard for the text to be aligned. And beside it we have what we call the right alignment. Press Ctrl R for the text to go to the right alignment. If you want to bring it back to the left alignment, make sure you still highlight it before you press it, or you can just click on it manually and click on left alignment, center alignment and right alignment. So in this case we are using the center alignment, so it align. So input device is okay here, output device is okay. Memory unit, we need the memory unit to be at the middle of the page. By click on it and you click on center alignment, you see we have it centralized. It's at the center of our page now. We can also move down. If you look at this text very well, let me highlight it, you see that this text does not have a smooth edge. So if I should click on my justify, this is justify, that is, it helped me justified text give you the document clean crisp edge, so it look more published. If I click on this, you notice what happened. You see this text is on three line, so immediately I pick my justify, it turned into what? To a 2 line. That is, it helped me to minimize some space in between so that the text will look more readable and more understandable. So let me apply to this also. Select it and click on justify. You see it helps us what? To justify. If you look at this edge, you see that everything here, they are on a straight line. Look at this now. You see text we have here, they are not on a straight line at all. let me select this. You can see the edge of this, they are very rough, but if I should use my justifier, it helps me to smooth the edge of the sentence. Do we understand that? So in this case, we are not using the left or the right and the center. In this case, we are using what? The justify. So if you are to type from the center, make sure it is, let me change this to center. You see, this is what we have. If you click on justify, it will turn it back to what? To left alignment. So you have to be at the left alignment before you can justify your text. So if you put at the center, which means the left hand side is not smooth and the right hand side is not smooth. So if you should justify, one side must be justified. So now this side is justified and the other side is what? Is justified. So it can be at the middle of the page. So that's for alignment. So the next we have here, we have what we call the increase indent and what? Decrease indent. So increase indent allows us to move your paragraph further away from the margin. You can see this is our margin here. This is our margin. You see, let me click this. You can see this is our margin. So I want to move this stuff away from this margin. I want to move it inside. Then I'll click on the increase what? Indent. So I want you to be at this place. If I want to bring it back, I'll click on this. I'll click on what? Increase what? Indent. Or I press Ctrl M on my keyboard to increase the index. Then Ctrl, you see, or I will highlight it. Then press Tab on my keyboard. It moves what? The index. Can check it on ruler bar. Can see it's moving in to the back. Or you press the increase indent button on your paragraph to increase the indent. You see it's moving. Or you come to your ruler bar and you move this manually. You see it's moving this in and what? And out. You see that. So you can bring it back to this place again. Then bring this back to this place again. Do you see? And then come here, drag this to this point here. So that is how we increase and we decrease our indent. So let's move this back. So 1 and 2. So that is for increase and what? Decrease index. So the next one we have what we call line spacing. Line what? Spacing. So line spacing allows us to remove some unnecessary space between text. Like now we have this text here, primary and secondary storage device. You can see the gap between there is much, so we want to bring them closer. Beside our justify, we have what we call line spacing. So in this case, I'm going to use remove space after paragraph. What you notice, you can see is jam-pack all of them together. So this applies to this sentence. Is okay. Maybe I need this sentence to be, I want to give enough space. I can come here to give you enough space, that is to give each sentence a gap. This is 2.0, this is 1.5, this is 1.5. Listen, if I should click on remove space after paragraph, what you do is see everything remove together. Or if I should select all of them together and I say remove paragraph, this is what we have. You see, so we have like 2 pages here previously, but now we have just 1 page because I've removed the word the space after paragraph. So let me go back and again add space after what? Paragraph. So this make my word look more unique. Bear with me. So that is that on that. So the next one we'll be looking at the numbering and what? And bullets. So how do we number? So here we have, there is a list item, which is the primary and secondary. So I want to bullet this. I can click on my bullet here to apply some bullets to my document. You see that? So that is for bullets. And also I can also change it to number. We want to give it number 1 or number 2. Click on my numbering, I can change it to number. You see that? I can change it to number, or I change it to ABC. So this bullet and numbering is mainly for a list item. Maybe where I have list of food. So I want to start listing. Is that I want to use bullet or I want to use numbering? If I should click on bullets, let me use one of these. Then I'll say rice. I'll have beans. I'll have yam. I'll have cassava. Listen. So as I'm keep pressing my enter, it should be adding the bullet. So once I done typing, then if you enter, the bullet will be there. So the next thing you do on your keyboard is to press the backspace for your cursor to come back to the default margin. Backspace 1, backspace again, and backspace till your cursor is in the position. And also I can also add some bullets to this by pressing enter. Maybe under cassava we also have some types of cassava. I can come here and change this to before I change it, I must have delete this bullet, then come here and select this, say cassava cassava dust. You see that? First hit enter. You see I'll say cassava flour. You see that? And also I can also add some list under these pins. Once I place my cursor here, then hit your enter, then delete, then go to your bullet and add some bullets here. You can say green beans. Press enter. I can say red beans. You see that? Now also I can also add some bullets under the red beans or the green beans by hitting my enter, then delete this stuff, then go back to your bullet and select this. So I can say red, I can say green, red. Let's see. So that is how we add more bullets. And also if you don't want to use any of these bullets, you can also customize your bullet or select some symbol for your bullet by clicking on define new bullet. So from the define new bullet, if you click here, we have left and center, then you choose symbol or use picture as your bullet. So it will load for you. This is loading from online. Let's search. I don't think I have which picture on my keyboard or my system. Let me click on browse. Let me see if I have some pictures here. Okay, let me use this. Then insert. Then okay. So automatically I have the picture changed to the bullet. If I come here now, I have to find it here. You see the picture as a bullet. If you want to use symbol, click on define new bullet, then symbol. So from here, let's wait for it. slowing my system down. So I can use this as my bullet. If I want to see more of the bullet, I can click here and select some kind of font. Let me scroll up. Let me see this. Let's go to W wedding. You see, if I want to use high, click on it and press OK. Then press OK again to change to bullet. So that's how we apply bullet. And also, if you want to same thing apply to numbering or alphabet, you see. So that's how we apply bullet to our Word file. On our Word file, you can also apply what we call a border. Maybe I want this text to have some border. You can come here. This is our border. Add or remove border from your section to change the block or to change the look of the border. Or you can see and can select for the sentence to have a line at the bottom or at the top, at the left hand side or at the right hand side. I can select the box to surround the sentence like this. So this is how we apply border. And also I can use what we call shading. We have what we call shading. This is our shading. So I want to shade this text. That is to shade it to apply to change the background of a particular paragraph to different color that you want. You see, as I click on blue, it change the sentence to white. You can click on this, and you can also select all of this and shade it and give it something different like this. You see, so that's for shading. So all this stuff that we are doing to all this text, we call them formatting text. Are you with me? So if you want to remove the bullets, it's very simple. Just highlight all of them and go back to your bullet, and you click on any of these bullets like this. Then you go again and you click on bullet. So automatically everything will be removed. So the next thing we'll be looking at, we have what we call sort. That is arranging the current section in alphabetical or numerical order. So we have rice, we have beans. So if you want to sort this, make sure you highlight it. Then what are we sorting? Text. You can see we are sorting what? Text. This is text. Then ascending order, that is from ABC to Z. Then press OK. Our first letter we have a what? B, C, C. Do you see that? Then I can go back and say sort descending order. Then press OK. Automatically it will rearrange it from the bottom to top or from top to bottom. So let me give it from top to bottom ascending order and press OK while you still highlight. So that is sort on our Microsoft Word. Thank you for your class. See you in the next class. God bless you. Make comments, subscribe to my channel, and like my video. God bless you and God bless me.